In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram call screen off problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot, then click on reset app preference, then click on reset apps. Now search Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now enable all permission. After enable all permission, now go to Play Store. Now search Instagram. Make sure Instagram is up to date. Now update Instagram. After completing update Instagram, now open Instagram. Now log into your account. Now call someone. Now, I hope that this method fix Instagram call screen off problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.